In this video, I will guide you how you can create no parking symbol in MS Word like this one. So first you need to click on the insert and click on the shapes. And under the basic shapes, you need to select this not allowed symbol. Drag it. You can resize it and drag this orange dot towards the outer side. Now right click and go to the format shape, and here is solid color. Fill is the solid color and click the color of your choice, which is normally red. And if you want to line, then click on the line color and select black color. And now go to the insert and click on the text box and draw a text box. Draw a text box and type P, select it and go to the home. Set the font size to 150. Change the color to black and then again right click. Go to the format shape. Click on the no fill and click on the no line. And adjust the P size to the no parking sign. Once you are happy with the placement, then right click and click send to back. Now you can see that the P has been on the back side of no parking sign. And now select the no parking sign and P select all together and click group and click group. And now you can move it all together anywhere on the MS Word page. So in this way you can easily create no parking symbol in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.